How to add music to Facebook post. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the What's on Your Mind option you see there, or you can also tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for post. So, tap on the post option and then go ahead and tap on the photo or video option in order to add the photo or video in order to further add music to your post. So, once you have selected a picture, in the next interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for add music. So tap on the add music option you see there and you will see a bunch of recommendations in here. You can also tap on the trending or saved option in order to see the trending or the saved audios of you. And if not, you can also tap on the search bar and search for the exact music that you want to add. Now, simply tap on the music that you want to add and you can then go ahead and select the exact portion of the music that you want to add. Once selected, tap on the done option on the top right of your screen and then tap on next. And further, go ahead and make the post settings of your choice and then tap on the post option you see there. And as you can see, my post has been posted with the music on it. So this was about how you can add music to a Facebook post. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.